Alright guys, so in today's video what we're going to be doing is adding this front lip to the Volkswagen to make it look a little more aggressive, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that. First, you're going to take a flap disc and you're going to get all this down to bare metal and get it ready to be welded. Same thing on that edge over there. Alright guys, so what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and start by tacking it right here in the middle. And then I'm going to work my way out, bending the edges down to conform to the hood and the shape that it's at. I feel like that's going to be the best route. I'm new at this, I'm no professional, so I think that's what a professional would do. Right? That's what they look like. Not the best, but we're just going to continue that all throughout and kind of try to keep the heat distribution throughout the whole hood because I don't want to overheat it and warp it. All right, I've got all the tack welds in place. I'm happy with the results, with this only being my second time welding, or I'm just tack welding, so it's nothing serious, but everything's flush for the most part. I'll have to do minimal body work. Okay, I do apologize for not recording any of the grinding video, but nobody wants to hear that anyway because it's really loud and obnoxious. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and add the blanket, and then we're gonna go ahead and skim it with a light coat of body filler. Motor anyway, so. Alright guys, so we're just gonna use some of this body filler that you can pick up at your local auto parts store, like O'Reilly's or AutoZone, and I'm just gonna mix a batch of this up and show you guys how I put it on my car and the rest of the steps on how I get my car to look and how it does at the end. Alright guys, and this is the finished product. I went ahead and wrapped the hood and the roof to match, and I couldn't be happier with the outcome of this. So that's how she's looking. Definitely looks a little more aggressive. But thank you for watching, and consider subscribing if you like videos like this, and see you next time.